Hello, my viewers. Today we are going to discuss how many types of language in the database management system. Okay, generally there are five types of language in the database management system. We will discuss one by one. First, we can see that data definition language. Also, we can see DDL. It is a short form. Okay, the meaning of DDL means data definition language. By the help of this, we can create, alter, drop, rename, truncate the table. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of create means we can create the table by the help of data definition language. You can create the table. After that, we can alter the table. Meaning of alter means simply we can add something inside the column. A drop means if you want to drop the table, if you want to delete all those things from schema, also deleted, value also deleted, then you can use the drop command. And rename means nothing but it will I want to rename something like my name is Vikas and I want to change to Ankit, so simply I can rename in the data definition language. Okay, and truncate means this will delete the value. Okay, everything we will discuss in the next part, but I am giving the short introduction each and every keyword inside the database management system. Okay, this first one is data definition language. Already I have discussed. Now we are coming to the data query language. Data query language is nothing but only we can select the table. That means if we have created the table, we have altered the table, we have dropped the table. After that, in the data query language, you can select the table. Okay, the meaning of select the table means whatever we have given the value, we can see by the help of select. Okay, we will give the example in the next video. Simply only the meaning of select means we will select the table inside the database. Okay, now we are coming to the third part, that is the data manipulation language. Data manipulation language is nothing but after the creating the table, after alter the table, after dropping the table, what can you do? We can insert the some value inside the table, we can update the value, we can delete the value. Okay, insert means I did create one table. Okay, after creating I want to insert some value, so by the help of data manipulation language you can insert. By the help of insert keyword, you can update. If I want to change something, then inside the table, then use update keyword. And the meaning of delete means, the meaning of delete means something you want to delete something, like I want to delete a row from the table, then you can use the delete keyword in the database management system. This will come into the data manipulation language. Now we are coming to the data control language. Data control language is nothing but we can grant and revoke. Okay, by the help of this we can do that. I will explain by the example in the next video, but right now I will coming to the next part, that is the transaction control language. Transaction control language is nothing but we can commit and roll back and save point. What is the meaning of commit? Commit means we have given some value and you want to save this value, then we can use the commit. If you want to save something inside the table, then we can use by the commit keyword. A rollbacks means we can go previous and we can see the value. At save point means simply you can save the value inside the database. This will come into the transaction control language. Okay, I will give the example by the SQL command properly in the next video. That's